हाँ जी रिपिन.
Plastic.
Plastic.
Yeah. And name
Plastic
of the
anything.
character is Varun.
Varun. तो सोच के प्लास्टिक. ओके. बहुत गंदे गंदे आइडियाज आ रहे हैं.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, वही चाहिए वही चाहिए.
Okay. I can't help it. This is what is coming. I apologize to anyone with very decent sensibilities. So Varun is this friend of ours, a very handsome boy, 27, 28-year-old. But Varun ko laga, Varun is one of these classic, good-looking, well-built, gym wala bandas who believes he has a future in film and television. And of course he does. This is a very democratic industry. We do not practice nepotism, no matter what Kangana Ranaut says. But essentially, so there's just one problem. Varun had a problem with one part of his anatomy. He felt that ye is not perfect and it needs correction or improvement or plastic surgery. Okay, Ripin, I know you have a word, but ruk jao. Wait 20 seconds. Let's get to the interesting part of where Varun needs plastic surgery. Okay. So everybody out there who is listening is speculating. Somebody is thinking face, which is boring and not interesting. Somebody is thinking muscles and chest, which is idiotic. Varun has phenomenal biceps and chest and 8-pack or 16-pack or whatever it is. So it's a kuch nahi hai. Varun, for some strange reason, felt his buttocks, bum, pichwada
Okay.
was not sexy enough. Okay, now the thing with, we are going to get a little graphic, but when you talk about a sex symbol in film, TV, there are different assets that men and women can show, push, etc. Now for men, it's not really their legs, it's of course their arms, their chest, but a lot of it is also their backside. And Varun seriously felt that with his current existing backside, he would not get anywhere. He felt it to be his big failure, his shortcoming. And in fact, all the auditions he got turned down from, usko laga ki yaar, it was all going well. Profiles jab tak main front wala de raha tha, everyone was looking excited. Jis point pe main buda, and people saw my back, they were like. So, Betani first, but he didn't immediately think of plastic surgery. Okay, he first tried doing 200 sit-ups, squats every morning. He tried doing all kinds of butt exercises. मतलब सब कुछ किया. So finally he decided to do plastic surgery. One does not know, even Varun didn't know, कि actually butt का plastic surgery होता भी है कि नहीं, but he was convinced. So Varun went to a doctor. Okay, from this point onwards, if Ripin wants to give words, he can. If the rest of you want to give lines or name of characters or anything else, you can. Ripin, first preference.
Rope.
Okay. So Varun went to this plastic surgeon, whose name was Dr. Tandon. Dr. Tandon. And he told him. Now, Dr. Tandon at that point was going through a very serious life issue. Okay. So, matlab, uske haath, when Varun walked in, Tandon had this rope in his hand and he was, seeing the length of it and he was putting it around his neck and all. So, Varun panicked. Varun went, grabbed the rope and said, please, doctor, don't commit suicide. It's okay. मतलब मालूम है कि COVID है, मालूम है कि you're probably not earning enough for the last 3-4 months, but I have not even earned $5. I mean, come on. So doctor was a short-tempered guy, पटाक करके मारा, slapped him and said, hello, this is not for me. This rope is not for me. I'm not committing suicide. This rope is for Tina.
Cat.
Huh?
Cat.
तो वरुण तो और भी घबरा गया. अरे क्या बात कर रहे हो आप? You're going to murder your girlfriend or your wife. मतलब बॉस ऐसा मत करो. मैं हूं ना. We will sort it out. We will find a solution. We will get this done. He said, you idiot. Now, what are you? Are you a moron? Are you like one of those stupid characters from Hindi films, like that Viru Sahasrabuddhe from 3 Idiots? Virus, इतना dumb हो क्या तुम? दिस इज माई कैट टीना, उसके लिए है, वो भाग जाती है. आई हैव स्पेंट 4 days रनिंग, यू नो, looking like that. I don't know what the problem is, but seriously, help me. That's why I'm doing this. Says okay, वो सब ठीक है, but Baba, first you solve my problem. I have come to you because you know what? I have a problem. I want my butt to look like David. You know, David was that sculpture in Florence. मेरे को वो वैसा look चाहिए. So, you know, you have to help me. You're the only one who can do this. So he says, okay, fine, हम कर सकते हैं. And he says, नहीं, आप समझ नहीं रहे हो. This is my career is at stake. If I want to be a star, like front door, I have got my foot in the front door. Back door पे मेरी entry रुक जाती है, and I get kicked out. So please, this is okay. Stop doing all this drama. We will solve your problem. हम कर देते हैं surgery. But give me 2 days. I will. You come tomorrow and सुबह सुबह कर लेंगे. Okay. Okay. He comes the next day. Surgery भी हो जाता है. This thing all done. Happy. Goes home. Ripin, you have a word. Say it. I can see you. Balloon. अब बेचारा went home, all that, you know, now you're itching, 2 दिन तक bandages, and finally you take it out, he looked, and he saw that, oh my God, basically his bum had ballooned. Matlab, it's like, if you say size X, 2X, 3X, 4X, he had gone straight to 5X. Matlab, now it was a situation कि पहला Varun's bum would enter, then Varun would enter. और पहला वरुण bum would exit and then Varun would exit. ऐसा वाला situation हो गया था. Varun was freaking out, like he wanted a great bum and all that, but this is मतलब too much of a good thing हो गया. Okay. So Varun like freaked out, he went running. गया वो डॉक्टर टंडन के पास. क्या देखता है? डॉक्टर टंडन is लटकोड. डॉक्टर टंडन actually लटकोड by a rope. This thing डॉक्टर टंडन तो गुजर गया.
Okay.
Then, I mean, he went around looking, what happened? Pata chala that his bechari cat, he put that rope and the cat got strangled. And he was overcome by guilt. So, wahi rassi leke, Tandon also committed suicide. But now Varun was a serious problem. He felt bad for the cat, he felt bad for Tandon, but what about his extra large bum?
Audition.
And उसको एक audition पे भी जाना था उस दिन, you know, like this big budget audition, मतलब, you know, one of those films, मतलब आपकी किस्मत बन सकती थी. See, there are people keep saying nepotism and all. It's not true. There are filmmakers who only want to launch new faces. Okay. अब वरुण के पास option नहीं था. Varun went for the audition, and Varun went, and जैसे he entered, and it was one of those like, you know, today is the anniversary of 5-year anniversary of Bahubali. So this was another Bahubali type film, you know, larger than life, hatte katte log, mythological fantasy wala. So everybody was hatta katta and strong, but फिर भी when Varun entered, everybody looking at him and people are laughing. मतलब वो bum इतना out of proportion था कि लोग मतलब पागल हो रहे थे देख. Varun was getting very conscious, but क्या करेगा बेचारा. And problem ये था कि जितना पैसा वरुण के पास था, he had already invested it in this bum surgery. Now he had no more money. He had to. So anyway, audition हुआ, he did his thing. They said profile, he gave his profile. They said, अच्छा, अभी now we just need to see your full body, so you take off your shirt and take off your pants and show us like कैसे लगोगे. Now Varun was very conscious. He said, sir, वो छोड़ दो 2-3 दिन बाद. He said, नहीं, we are deciding the role today. You do it. Took off all the clothes, turned round, and shell shocked. Everybody was shell shocked. Varun बेचारा depressed, thought कि बॉस मेरा चांस तो गया, घर गया, and he's thinking, टंडन की तरह even I will have to put a rope. Yes, Rupin, बोल दो.
Box.
He was thinking कि you know टंडन की तरह मेरे को भी I'll have to put a rope around my neck, die. Then मैं इतना hope लेके देहरादून से आया था, अब वापस जाऊंगा in a box या in a मतलब वो क्या बोलते हैं मटका, you know, and he's very depressed. तभी फोन आता है. And it's a video call, Zoom call. एक में director है, एक में producer है, एक में they're all looking and saying, you know what? हम लोग इतने दिन से we were trying to cast, you know, and but the thing is, everybody thought ये बाहुबली mythologically ऐसा नहीं है. We are actually making the Mahabharata, and Mahabharata में we needed this one person to play this Ghatotkacha Rakshas, who's a huge part. But साला कोई उस साइज का मिल ही नहीं रहा था. And the thing was that we wanted to have this. हमारा एक action scene है where Ghatotchka just sits on the Kaurava army and squashes them. And उसके लिए we needed somebody with a big bomb, you know, because वरना CG में हम कितना करेंगे और कोई मिल नहीं रहा था, कुछ नहीं हो रहा था, and then you come, we want to sign you for a 5-film deal. ये तो घटोत्कच तो स्टार्ट पॉइंट है, इसके बाद हम पूरा एक राक्षस सीरीज बनाएंगे, आप ही को हीरो बनाएंगे, you are done. And that is how Varun became a big Bollywood star. And उसके घर पे, पर अभी भी if you go to his house, on the door you'll see 2 pictures. एक टंडन का, एक टीना द कैट का.
Okay.
Thank you, Ripin.
Thank you.